Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make an alcoholic beverage using Mountain Dew Thrashed Apple. I'm going to call this Mountain Dew Thrashed Apple Pie, for obvious reasons. Here's what you're going to need for this recipe. 2 cans or 24 fluid ounces of Mountain Dew Thrashed Apple. Your choice of apple alcohol. I would suggest no more than 2 shots. Apple pie crust crumbles. Whipped cream, caramel or caramel syrup, ground cinnamon, in a big mug to drink it from. First, squirt in that caramel syrup and then dump in that pop or soda or whatever you want to call it. Then drop in your apple vodka or whiskey. Top it with your whipped cream, your cinnamon, your apple pie crust crumbs, and then even more caramel or caramel, and then you're ready to drink it down. All right, we're back. Here it is. This is the Jim Beam apple whiskey in it. I tried the one with the Smirnoff Apple Vodka in it, and it was fire. I think I'm probably gonna like that the best out of the two. But here we go. Spilled a little bit on me. That is good. Oh, yes. That is very good. That is very good. This is a complete win. Like, I don't know which I like better because they both pair very well with this Mountain Dew. Hey, you guys gotta try this. Like seriously, like yesterday. Having to keep one wiping. In case you guys are wondering, the one that I drank earlier was the one that was filmed for the steps. I did that because I needed the whipped cream to look good, so I can't do that and then hurry up and drink it right after because it's gonna just, plus I had to take pictures. So this is going to be like my new drink of choice, I think. I really hope that you guys try this and tell me about it because this is awesome and I really want to know what you guys think. But I'm going to get off here and enjoy the rest of my night. So drink responsibly and do as I always say and just have fun with it. If you're going to mix Mountain Dew with alcohol, just have fun with it. If you're going to be a piercer, just have fun with it. Also guys, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, then hit a little bell for the notifications. That way whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking Goth has posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a share, and a comment for the algorithm, please. Have a great night, everyone. I know I'm going to. Oh yeah.